Imagine this, it's the year 2035. You're applying for your dream job at a Mars-bound logistics company, but instead of a recruiter reviewing your resume, an AI recruiter, let's call it Talos, scans your neural profile, parses your employment history from a blockchain ledger, and scores your cognitive emotional compatibility using real-time biofeedback. Sound sci-fi? Maybe, but the seeds of that reality are already here. Let's zoom back to the present. Today's AI systems might not be decoding brainwaves yet, but they're already filtering millions of job applications with or without your knowledge. That LinkedIn job post you saw? Odds are your resume's first reviewer wasn't a human at all. So what does this mean for job seekers in the hiring world? Buckle up. We're entering a new phase of hiring, algorithmic recruitment. The rise of algorithmic gatekeepers. Before your resume ever lands in human hands, it's parsed, scored, and ranked by machine learning models. These systems aren't just keyword checkers anymore. They understand context, to some extent, detect anomalies, and even flag soft skills using NLP analysis. But here's the unsettling part. They also inherit human flaws. An AI trained on biased historical hiring data can unknowingly reinforce systemic inequalities. It's like asking HAL 9000 to run your HR department. Efficient, yes, but not without consequences. Some systems evaluate hundreds of variables: education, job gaps, sentence structure, even tone. It's efficient, but it's also opaque. Candidates are judged by algorithms they can't see or question. Why corporations trust AI over intuition? In a hyper-connected global economy, speed trumps everything. One high-profile posting can attract 5,000+ resumes. Human recruiters simply can't keep up. That's where AI shines, cutting processing time by 90%, reducing overhead, and highlighting ideal candidates based on historical hiring data. ATS systems like Workday, Greenhouse, and even IBM's Watson are leading the charge. And in enterprise ecosystems, hiring now links with performance prediction models. Imagine AI flagging that a candidate's writing style aligns with top-performing engineers in their database. It's predictive hiring, part science, part black magic. Facial recognition meets corporate suitability metrics. Welcome to the next frontier, AI video screening. Tools like HireVue and CuriousThing analyze micro-expressions, tone modulation, and even blink rate. You smile too much? The system may flag you as disingenuous. Speak too slowly? You might be deemed unfit for a fast-paced role. And now, with emotion AI on the rise, some platforms even map facial stress signals to projected performance metrics. We're not far from scenarios where digital twins of applicants are tested in simulations before being shortlisted. Cracking the code. How to survive the digital gauntlet? Yes, you can beat the machines to an extent. Use context-aware keywords that reflect the job description. Avoid complex formatting. Bots read plain text better than stylized documents. Emphasize quantifiable achievements using action verbs and impact metrics. New platforms like Razy and VMOC offer AI-backed feedback to boost your resume's algorithmic compatibility. Think of it like running diagnostics on your career file before sending it into the battlefield. Glitches in the machine. When AI gets it wrong, AI systems are only as smart as their data and training. Context still confuses them. A sabbatical might be read as unemployment. Entrepreneurial ventures sometimes get flagged as job hopping. False positives, missed red flags, they all still happen. And if a candidate is filtered out before human eyes ever see their profile, there's rarely an appeal system. These errors aren't just glitches, they shape careers. Governments are slowly catching on. The EU's AI Act and the US EEOC are looking into algorithmic fairness. But regulation is trailing far behind innovation. Looking ahead, AI recruiters or empathy engines. By 2030, talent matching may be entirely automated. With neural interfaces, digital credentials, and behavioral analytics, the recruitment process could look more like precision forecasting than human evaluation. But here's the twist. The best companies know that emotional intelligence, cultural fit, and unpredictability still matter. Machines can't yet read passion or understand why a candidate left a six-figure job to volunteer overseas. That's where the hybrid model comes in. AI handles scale. Humans handle nuance. It's not a question of man versus machine. It's about balance. But that balance is delicate. And if we're not careful, we may build systems that quietly discriminate while claiming neutrality. So next time you're applying for a job, think like a human, but write for the machine. The gatekeeper may not breathe, but it's watching everything. And if the future of hiring lies in algorithms, maybe it's time we started designing them with the very thing they're missing most: humanity. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more real talk on AI, the future of work, and how to outsmart the systems trying to sort us. Because in this digital jungle, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival.